Hi everybody, today I'll be showing you how to make my mom's 5-ingredient, 30-minute chili recipe. Let's get started. For this recipe, I like to do all the chopping at the beginning. Let's get all the hard work out of the way. Let's dice 1 yellow onion the size of your palm. Onions will help add that aromatic flavor to your chili recipe. Let's put the onion aside for now. Now it's time to peel, crush, and dice 2 garlic cloves. Garlic is just one of those undeniable aromatics. We'll also put the garlic away for now. Some people like to add kidney beans to their chili recipe. You can buy a can of kidney beans from the supermarket. Dump the can of kidney beans into a colander and rinse it under the tap until the water runs clear. Into a large bottom pot, add about a tablespoon of olive oil. Then add your diced onion from before. Then saute your onions for about 4 to 5 minutes on medium heat until they're translucent. Now it's time to add your garlic from before. Only saute your garlic for about 1 minute in the pan to avoid it from burning. Garlic is done when it starts to smell fragrant. Okay, let's add the beef to this recipe. I like to use lean beef because then you don't have to drain it. Now it's time for my mom's secret ingredient. Onion soup powder. This secret ingredient will flavor your chili and thicken it slightly as well. Alright, let's break the beef apart into pieces and make sure everything is mixed thoroughly. We'll be turning the heat on to medium-high for this part and brown the beef until fully cooked. This will take about 4 to 5 minutes. The beef is fully cooked once it looks like this. Now comes the easiest part of the recipe. Add about 2.5 cups of mild to medium salsa. We use salsa for this recipe because it does all the seasoning without a fuss. Now mix together your salsa and your beef and bring it up to a boil. Once your chili is brought up to a boil, add about a half cup of water. The water will keep your chili from burning while you're simmering it in the pot. And stir everything together. Alright, let's cover the pot and lower the heat to low. So we'll simmer it for about 20 minutes in total. Check on your chili every 5 to 10 minutes and give it a quick stir to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom. After about 20 minutes, your chili will look like this. Give it one last stir to make sure nothing stuck to the bottom. Now you can add the beans that we rinsed from before and add it to the chili. I prefer to add my beans at this point because I don't want them to disintegrate. Now we'll just stir them just so they're heated up. Bring your chili back to a boil and let me show you how to serve it to make it extra special. Alright, put your chili into a bowl and add some freshly chopped tomato, some cheese, some sour cream, and some green onions. Chives work here as well. And there you have it, a 30-minute chili recipe. Serve it with some corn tortilla chips for the perfect pairing. Enjoy! I hope you like my mom's chili recipe. Thanks for watching. Please give me a like down below to support my channel. Thank you.